we're going to try this again. If it doesn't work, I do apologize. I don't know where I just went off to. But we're making pizza dip today, okay? So I have in my bowl, because we just start mixing it up together, I have a 1/4 cup cream cheese, I have a 1/4 cup Parmesan cheese, and I have a 1/4 cup of sour cream, okay? They're all in here. We're just mixing it together right now. So basically, we're going to have some pizza dip tonight with some homemade chips. For our little evening snack. We're probably going to put on a nice little movie. We've had a very long day already. So we're going to take it easy and kind of like chill out tonight. So that's exciting. So the three of them are mixed, okay? And hopefully I'll get this all done before I disappear again. But then you're going to add the mozzarella cheese and the tomato sauce. And that's just kind of like the base of the dip. And then you can add what other toppings you want. So if you want bacon, sausage, well, I'm going to add pepperoni. You can totally put it in the dip. If you want peppers, mushrooms, totally put it in the dip. It's like a build your own dip, which is really cool, okay? So I have 1 cup of the mozzarella cheese. I put a 1/4 cup here, so I can sprinkle that on top when I'm done, okay? So that's kind of like what I did there. And I'm putting my cheese in here, okay? And you can use whatever cheese you want. We use mozzarella cheese because it's like, that's pizza, guys, right? Like, hello. And how we're going to do it is we're actually going to stick our dip in the oven. You can put it in the microwave if you want. So you can get it all set up in a microwave bowl, put your cheese on top, shove it in the microwave, and it takes about 2 to 4 minutes. And it's all cooked. Basically, just want the top mozzarella cheese to be melted, okay? For us, we're going to put it in the oven at 350. It's going to take like not even 5 minutes. We're just going to melt the cheese again on top, and we're going to take them out, and the dip's done. Really cool, right? So this is this is a 1/2 cup of marinara sauce. Low carb marinara sauce, we're putting it in, okay? And of course, just like all my other videos, if you want this recipe, just put recipe in the comments, and I will get you the written recipe for it, okay? There we go. All right. So now we're going to mix this all together. Get this real good in here because we are actually going to cook it in the oven in these little small things. So we each have our own little dip, which is really cool. Okay. So the girls can just sit there with a bowl. I can just sit there with a bowl. And we're not just like passing the bowl around. So that's how we do it. You can totally just make it one big bowl. I do this dip for like parties and stuff, and it's like the biggest, like they love it. Okay, this and my bacon, my chicken, my bacon ranch, cauliflower bites they love, and this dip. Those are like the 2 favorites. And whenever we used to have people come over all the time. Not so much now. And so these are huge party pleasers. So if you entertain a lot of people, they're not even going to notice that this is keto or low carb, or like 100%. Okay, they're just going to be like, "This is an amazing dip. What is it?" And then you're going to tell them what it is, and then they're going to be like, "No way!" And then you're going to be like, "No way!" Okay, so we're putting our pepperoni in because we're just going to put pepperoni in for our dip. But literally, like I said, you can put any meat that you want, any veggies that you want, like you like on pizza, have at her, put her in, okay? So what I did is I got, we bought the long pepperoni. We cut 6 pieces off, and then we just chopped it up real finely. And that's all we're putting in here. Then I will show you what it looks like. It looks really good, actually. It looks like really creamy. Looks really creamy. So that's basically the base, what it's going to look like, okay? And then I'll show you with one of the things that we're going to make. All right, and I'll just pour. This is how we do it. So we're going to separate into bowls. You can totally, right now, as this is like done, it's all mixed together, you can totally just put that cheese on top, stick it in the microwave or in the oven, whatever. Well, not obviously in a plastic bowl. Do not put a plastic bowl in the oven, but you know, you can just stick it in wherever you want to cook, and do it that way. But we are separating it, so there's no fighting tonight when we have our little snack. because the girls are having a week where they fight about literally everything. So, we're just trying to prevent that tonight so we can actually enjoy the movie. Okay. So we're just going to stick the dip in here. There we go. So for us with these little bowls, we're just going to put that much in just right at the rim. And then we're just going to sprinkle some of the mozzarella cheese on top, just like that. We're going to stick it in the oven for about 5 minutes, okay? Literally just until the top cheese is melted is when it's done, okay? And you can stick that in the microwave, the oven. That's that. Like, this is such an easy dip to make, and we love it, okay? It literally tastes like pizza, okay? So if you want the written recipe, please put recipe in the comments. I will put a picture below this video, what it looks like when I take it out of the oven, like I always do, okay? So watch out for that. If you want to know what marinara sauce I've used, anything like that, always just ask me in these videos, okay? I'm more than happy to show what brand I am using and where I found it, so you guys can go find the stuff as well, okay? I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys later. Later this week, we're going to be making some low-carb syrup. So I showed you guys how to make pancakes, and now I'm going to show you guys how to make syrup. So watch out for that, because then you have a low-carb pancake breakfast, okay? Because we love pancakes up in here. We do. But I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys later this week. Bye, guys!